Hi folks, how are you? Very good morning. So I am starting the chapter 3 of this course of this series of ClickWorker. So I am going to discuss certain points in this video. The first point is that payment. How can I receive the international payment? So in previous days in India, ClickWorker pays by PayPal in India. It may different for Nigeria and Morocco also, but it is in India they were using PayPal. But now from a Facebook post they mentioned that they no longer using PayPal, they are using Payoneer now because of some I'm highlighting this because of some multiple administration problems over time with PayPal. So it is their decision. So first of all you have to make a Payoneer account. Now how can you make a Payoneer account? I am mentioning a link in my description box. You just need to click on that link and you will be directed to Payoneer website and you can register for the Payoneer account. How can you create the Payoneer account? What is the process? So I am going to make another video for this, that how can you make a Payoneer account. So don't be to worry about that. So this is the first point. The second point is that as you can see in this payable 28 days, that is how your payment is processed. So first of all, whatever you are doing on UHRS, you are doing your job on UHRS, that's good. After the payment got generated, it stays in UHRS until Monday, and it gets transferred from your UHRS to Clickworker on Monday, or maximum is Wednesday. I am saying your money got transferred from UHRS to Clickworker, not to your bank account. Why? The question is why. So why? The reason is that you already do your job, but the quality of the job is not determined. It is for the quality reason that your job, that your money stays here in Clickworker for 28 days. It is the time for quality checking, quality of your work. After checking all the quality parameters, your payment got transferred through your Payoneer account to your bank account. You can then withdraw your money from any ATM. That's not an issue. So I think I am clear that why this 28 days. That is, if you work in June, then you will get your money maybe on the last week of July. Okay, this is the second point. And now I am going to your UHRS guide. I hope you people understand that UHRS guide and you have already read it. But I am clarifying certain important factors, important points within this UHRS guide. So this UHRS guide, here you can see that tips and advice. So for UHRS, the first tip is that you should stay calm. Don't rush. That is because in 30 seconds you will get two cents. So automatically you are thinking that if I speed up my uh, work, then it will generate more revenue, more income. But the issue is that if you speed up your work, then your quality of the work will degrade, and ultimately you got disabled from that job. You are banned. You will be banned. Okay. So don't compromise with the quality of your job. Stay calm, stay focused, and do the job. Okay. So this is the point that I want to clarify. And your live ID will be displayed here, and you just need to click on the UHRS login site and log in with your credentials. The display will look like this. You just need to click on the sign in button and sign in button, and the login screen from the Microsoft will appear on your screen. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, you can like it, you can subscribe, and you can share the video. Thank you for your time.